Content is king, but what if you don't know how to create content? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you can start creating content for your business without any prior experience. Hi, I'm Mike, Mr. Process Mahoney, and I'm here to help you with your business. Many people think that to be successful, they need to create all the content by themselves, but that's just not true. There are many different ways you can get started creating content. So, whether you're just starting out or you've been in business for a while, I think you'll find something interesting in this video. Now, the first content creation strategy for beginners is to start with a blog. Blogging is a great way to share your thoughts and ideas with the world, and it's easy to get started. Just choose a topic, write a few paragraphs, and hit publish. You can even repurpose old content by turning it into a blog post. For example, if you have an ebook, you can break it down into a series of blog posts. If you create videos, have a transcript created from the video and use that as a blog post. Embed your video to help with backlinks to your site. Putting your video and transcript of your video into a blog post is an excellent way for you to expand the content that you're putting out. It serves as a way to reuse content that would otherwise all go to one channel. The second content creation strategy for beginners is to create social media posts. Social media posts are a great way to engage with your audience and to get your message out to them. You can create posts around topics related to your business or share content from your blog or website. Just make sure to include a call to action so people know what you want them to do. You can also use social media posts to promote your content. For example, if you have a new blog, why not share it on social media and include a call to action to read it? It's a great way to drive traffic to your blog. Now, you probably have a great connection with your social media followers, so they're going to want to consume whatever you recommend to them, even your own content. The next strategy for beginners is just shoot videos. Videos are a great way to connect with your audience. You can create as many videos as you'd like on whatever topics that you'd like, as long as they're focused on your niche. These can be how-to videos, product demonstrations, or just share your thoughts on a topic. And don't worry, if you don't have any experience shooting videos, there are plenty of resources available to help you get started. Just make sure to include a call to action so people know what you want them to do. If you're not comfortable being on camera, that's okay. You can create content for your videos without ever showing your face. Just focus on providing value and leave the rest up to the viewers. Videos are a must for small businesses in today's world. More and more people consume videos as a fast and easy way to get to know you. Make sure you're consistent with publishing these videos and watch your authority grow. Now, the next content creation strategy for beginners is to write ebooks and white papers. If you have some expertise in a particular topic, you can share it with the world by writing an ebook or a white paper. Just choose a topic, do some research, and start writing. You can even hire someone to help you with the writing if you're uncomfortable doing it yourself. But just so you know, ebooks and white papers are a great way to position yourself as an expert, and they can be used to drive traffic to your website or blog. Just make sure to include a call to action so that people understand what it is you want them to do. People will appreciate the content more because it is something that can be downloaded and kept for reference. Ebooks and white papers are excellent content pieces that establish trust and credibility. Now, the next content creation strategy for beginners is put out a podcast, man. I have several. If you enjoy talking like me, podcasts might be the perfect content for you. Just choose a topic, hit record, and start sharing your thoughts. You can even interview other experts in your field to get their insights if you feel like it. Podcasts are a great way to connect with your audience, and they can be used to drive traffic to your website or blog. Just make sure to include a call of action so that people know you want them to do this or that. You're going to quickly build up an engaged following if you're consistent with publishing new episodes. Make sure you promote your podcast in all the right places so that it can be found by those who need to hear it. So there you have it, 5 content creation strategies that will help you connect with your audience. To recap, you can start a blog, create social media posts, shoot videos, write ebooks and white papers, and release a podcast. Each one will attract a different segment of your niche. You can also repurpose each piece of content multiple times to expand what content you are releasing each week. If you got value from this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you will always get notified when new videos come out from top-tier coaching services.